Have you been dealing with frustrating skin tags and warts that just won't go away? You're not alone. These pesky skin growths can pop up out of nowhere, and if you're ready to say goodbye to them once and for all, you're in the right place. Stick with me until the end of this video because we're going to explore every single method from home remedies to professional treatments that can help you get rid of them, sometimes overnight. But before we get into the details, let me share a quick story. There was a time when I had a skin tag on my neck that I just couldn't stop noticing. It was like my own personal annoyance. I tried all sorts of remedies until I finally figured out what worked best. And guess what? It didn't just disappear, it taught me a lot about my health, too. Today, I'm going to share those solutions with you, so you can avoid the trial and error I went through. Let's dive in. Alright, before we start zapping away those skin tags and warts, let's understand what we're up against. Skin tags are small, soft growths that usually appear on the neck, armpits, or other areas where skin rubs together. They're not harmful, but they can definitely be annoying, especially when they show up in visible spots. Then, there are warts, which are rough, raised growths caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV. Warts can show up anywhere on the body, but they're most common on the hands, feet, and face. Fun fact: there are over 130 types of HPV, and each one can cause different kinds of warts. Don't worry, though, most warts aren't dangerous. But here's the thing, sometimes these little skin growths are more than just cosmetic annoyances. Skin tags can be linked to underlying issues like insulin resistance or hormonal imbalances, especially if you're dealing with conditions like diabetes or PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome. Meanwhile, warts are often linked to a weakened immune system. So, not only are we going to get rid of these growths, but we're also going to talk about what might be causing them in the first place. Why do we get them? So, why exactly do skin tags and warts pop up? In most cases, friction, from clothing, skin rubbing against skin, or jewelry, is the main culprit for skin tags. You'll often find them in areas like your neck, underarms, or even eyelids. Hormonal changes can also be a factor, especially during pregnancy or menopause. Warts, on the other hand, are caused by HPV, which enters the body through small cuts or breaks in the skin. They're more common if you have a weakened immune system, meaning your body has a harder time fighting off the virus. The good news is that warts aren't cancerous, but they're definitely something you'll want to get rid of, especially if they're painful or spreading. Quick favor. Before we jump into the remedies, do me a quick favor. If you're enjoying the content and want more helpful tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're always sharing ways to keep your skin and body healthy, and you won't want to miss any of it. Home remedies for fast removal. Okay, now for the part you've been waiting for, the remedies. Let's start with some simple, at-home treatments that are surprisingly effective. First up, we have apple cider vinegar. This remedy is a classic for a reason. To use it, soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and apply it directly to the skin tag or wart. Cover it with a bandage and leave it on for a few hours each day. Over time, the acidity of the vinegar breaks down the tissue, and the growth eventually falls off. Next, let's talk about garlic and iodine, a powerful duo. Crush a little garlic and mix it with a couple of drops of povidone iodine. You can find this at your local pharmacy. Apply the mixture to the skin tag or wart, cover it with a bandage, and leave it on overnight. Within a few days, you'll start to see the growth shrink, and it can completely disappear in as little as 2 weeks. Pro tip: if you're using garlic, make sure it's fresh. The active compound, allicin, is what makes it so effective. Keep the garlic mixture in the fridge to maintain its potency. Other natural remedies include tea tree oil, oregano oil, or zinc oxide. These are known for their antiviral and skin healing properties. Apply a small amount to the affected area once or twice a day, and watch those warts and skin tags slowly fade away. Over-the-counter treatments. If you prefer something from the store, you can try Compound W or Dr. Scholl's Freeze Away. These products work by freezing the growth. In the case of Freeze Away, or using salicylic acid, for compound W, to gradually break down the wart or skin tag. These treatments can take a little longer but are effective if used consistently. Follow the instructions carefully, and be patient. Sometimes it can take a few weeks for the growths to fully disappear. Professional removal options. For more stubborn growths, you might want to consider professional treatments. Dermatologists offer several options for quick and permanent removal, including 1. Cryotherapy. This method freezes the growth using liquid nitrogen. 1. It's fast and usually only takes a few minutes. 2. Laser removal. A laser targets the growth and destroys the tissue. 3. Surgical excision. The dermatologist will cut out the growth with a scalpel. 3. This is usually reserved for larger or more complicated cases. Professional treatments are quick and effective, but they can be more expensive than home or over-the-counter remedies. Recovery time is usually minimal, but you might experience some redness or swelling for a few days after the procedure. Preventing future skin tags and warts. Once you've gotten rid of the skin tags and warts, you'll want to prevent them from coming back. Here are a few tips. Keep your skin clean and moisturized to avoid friction and irritation. Wear loose-fitting clothes, especially in areas prone to skin tags like the neck, underarms, and groin. Boost your immune system with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and proper hydration. This will help your body fight off the HPV virus that causes warts. If insulin resistance is the root cause of your skin tags, consider a keto diet or intermittent fasting to help regulate your insulin levels. And remember, you can learn even more about improving your overall health by watching my video, Eat these 7 fruits that fight cancer and burn fat daily. It's packed with great information that can help you stay healthy and strong. We've covered everything from natural remedies to professional treatments, and now you know exactly how to get rid of those annoying skin tags and warts. Whether you decide to go the DIY route or see a dermatologist, the key is consistency and choosing the method that works best for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use these tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content on health and wellness. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.